mean, that's what we always stress to all of our prospects that are looking at load balancers. It's just try us out. I mean, you'll see for yourself. The product basically does just sells itself in that aspect.
No, definitely. I already clicked on the start 30 day free trial. I already started that. It's just a matter of downloading it. Okay. Once I download it, I'm gonna start playing with it. And definitely, this is something. Yeah, I don't know. I have a saying: is lab your way to success. Like I said, you can read any book, you can watch any video, you can do all these things, but unless you get your hands dirty, unless you do touch it, you're not gonna know what you're doing. Yeah. So having that 30-day free trial that you have, that is awesome. That is awesome. And believe me, I already took advantage of that. Oh yeah, I already took advantage of that, and I'm gonna do the virtual one. I'm gonna do the virtual load balancer. Mm-hmm. That's the one that I'm going to do. And then I'm just going to start playing and playing and playing and playing, because this is a crucial piece of equipment, regardless if it's virtual or physical, whatever. It's a piece of equipment that you need to understand and you need to embrace, so you can make your network more efficient, more secure, more resilient. Okay, as you say. All right, so all these things that you can do to make your network better is a lot. It just is. I know. I can tell you this. I saw a YouTube site today, and they were talking about that nobody wants to be a network engineer. Right? They're bored of it or what have you. They're bored of it because they're not growing. Mm. They're not growing. They're not looking out. So this right here in front of us, what we're talking about today. So it doesn't get talked about enough. It doesn't get talked about enough. And believe me, now they're going to shut me up about it. Now I'm just going to keep talking about it and talking about it and talking about it and talking about it, because I mean, it's true. How can you not want to talk about something that's going to make your network much better, much more secure? Well, you're going to have those insights into your network. Mm-hmm. We talk about HIPs and NIDs and HIDs and all these different things and mutual authentication, but a lot of people don't do that. If you have a device that's actually giving you insight to your network, it's telling you, listen, this is what's going on. You need to look at this. Bells and whistles are going off after you did your configuration. Then you have a dashboard that you're looking at, so it makes it easy for you to see what's going on. I mean, how can you not want this? You know what I mean?
One thing, as we were talking before we kicked things off, is I mentioned, I always mention this, and I'm doing webinars and stuff like that, because it resonates with everyone that's a network admin or an application owner or whatever it is, right? Team, whatever it might be, right? But you get those calls or the tickets that get open and say the application is. It's like trying to troubleshoot something like that the application is slow. Where's the application? Is it the network? Is it the client? Is the client laptop that's slow and it's nothing wrong with the application? Or is it the application server? Or is it the load balancer that's causing some kind of delay, which, again, typically isn't the case, but it's possible. It's part of the flow, right? I mean, you need to identify that very quickly to understand what's happening. So having things like Loadmaster 360, since we're in the middle and we're collecting all of this information, we're able to feed this into dashboards, widgets, to give these insights. So the application